Well, what is a lifestyle trader? Well, I actually created the term the lifestyle trader, and I use that as a program name to teach people who have never done this before how to become a lifestyle trader, because it is all about, and anyone who knows me intimately will know that of all the business things I'm involved in, all the trading floors, my children come first. And so I'll sit down with a group of my PAs, because I have all these different companies, all these things going on, and it's, look, what are the kids' schedule, when the kids on holiday, when's half term, when's Easter, when's summer, when's Christmas, and we plan all of that out first so we know what we're doing for the year. And then after that, we'll feed in, okay, there's a tour with maybe Sir Richard Branson that I've been invited to go and speak with, and I love him, so I want to go do that. Or there might be something I can go and do a TED talk, I want to go do that. And then I'll pick and choose the things that I want to do based on the people I really want to spend my time with. But a lifestyle trader really then is the underbelly of all of that, because it means, for me, I make my money before my children even get out of bed, which is really important. You know, I look at, my children are fortunate enough to go to one of the most spectacular schools in the country. And I've met a lot of mums and dads there, and they're absolutely wonderful people, and we've made some beautiful relationships there. But there is this underlying thing where when my kids have other kids over for play dates, and all the kids at the school want to come to my house for play dates, because this is like a zoo. We've got gyms and swimming pools and all these, and everything as you can imagine, cinemas, and because my son decided he wanted chickens, we have actually a chicken ranch out the back, hidden cleverly so you can't see it. And all the kids want to come and hang out at my house. One of the things the kids always say is, how come your dad's home? And I think that's really sad, because most of the kids that come, and I said, what do you mean, how am I home? He says, well, we don't even see our dad. Dad comes home when we're in bed. Because their dads are, they may be hedge fund managers or big financiers or, professionals or lawyers in the city. And time they get on the train and come out of London and get home, their kids are already in bed at 7 o'clock, and they're having dinners and things. Whereas I'm here every single day in this study doing my trading, and then or I'm writing a book, or I'm doing something, I'm on a conference call, and then I'm always here to pick up my kids from school. And I think it's so important that, because my children, the last 10 years have gone like that, and I know the next 10 will go even faster. And when they're gone, they're gone. They're gonna, and bless them, whether they go to university, if they decide to do that, or whether they want to be an entrepreneur or whatever. That's their life. I don't own them. I just have the privilege to spend time with them while they're little, and I want as much of that time as I can possibly get.